Before you spend your money on Reunoa Serum, there are some important facts you should know because the marketing behind this product sounds almost too good to be true. Reunoa Serum claims it can repair paper-thin skin, reduce bruising, strengthen fragile skin, and reverse visible signs of aging within just a few days. But these promises deserve careful scrutiny. While healthy skincare ingredients may help improve hydration and support the skin barrier over time, there is currently no strong publicly available clinical evidence proving that Reunoa Serum can deliver the dramatic transformations shown in many of its advertisements. Another concern is the promotional material itself, where several customer testimonials and before and after images appear questionable, with signs that some visuals may be AI-generated or heavily edited, making it difficult to verify whether the advertised results are genuine. The marketing also relies heavily on emotional messaging, especially targeting older adults by suggesting that fragile skin is an urgent problem requiring this specific serum. Scientific-sounding phrases are used throughout the website, but they are often presented without clear references to independent clinical studies or peer-reviewed research. The website follows a familiar dropshipping style layout featuring massive discounts, countdown timers, and limited-time offers designed to encourage quick purchases rather than informed decisions. Some buyers have also reported that the product quality did not match expectations and that they noticed little or no visible improvement after regular use, although individual experiences naturally vary. That does not automatically mean Reunoa Serum is a scam, but it does mean its bold claims should be viewed with caution until stronger evidence is available. If you're considering buying this serum, take time to research the ingredient list, compare it with well-established skincare products, and look for independent customer feedback instead of relying solely on promotional advertisements. Making a careful, informed decision is always better than trusting impressive marketing claims alone.